I've been using Mike Monyak, Mr. Happy House, for over 15 years probably. He's the best general all-around contractor that I can imagine. Everything from painting, inside, outside, any repairs, complete redo on roofing, siding. His crew is efficient, neat, clean, and nice to work with.
I'm here with Dale. We just finished Hardie Plank siding. Look at that post. Doesn't that post look great compared to the way it looked before, Dale?
It's much better than it did before.
And how do you feel about the siding job that you just had done?
Great. It looks like a new house. Really appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Brand new, a new roof.
New roof.
50-year warranty.
10-year labor warranty.
And the roof is
Lifetime shingles through GAF.
GAF. Lifetime single.
Yeah. So, hell yeah. I mean, who are you going to recommend to the neighbors, you know, for painting?
I recommend it my Modiac.
Mr. Happy House, right?
Happy House. He do the best in the world.
Oh, in the world, man. Wow, that's impressive. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Keep your home in its best shape with Mr. Happy House, a local and professional GAF certified roofer and James Hardie Siding installer with over 32 years in business.